Why should you learn how to trade? The better question would be, why shouldn't you learn how to trade? There are many reasons why trading is so appealing and why thousands of people start learning every day. Here are just some of them. Financial freedom. How many people do you know that would quit their 9-to-5 job if they had some sort of backup? How many people are just working to pay the bills and keep a roof over their head? A large majority of people are unhappy at work for these reasons. They don't feel valued and just feel like another number. They aren't learning new skills or continuing their education. Everything feels like a routine, and they aren't being paid enough to make it all worthwhile. Does this sound like you? With Forex trading, you are your own boss. You are in charge of your growth and education. There is plenty to learn, and the market constantly changes. There is no such thing as routine. Every day is different in Forex, and when it comes to earning potential, the sky is the limit. Learning how to trade and being able to master it can open plenty of doors, financial freedom being one of them. You could teach others how to trade. You could potentially trade for people. You could teach your family and friends a new skill that could change their lives. Being financially free opens the door to anything you might have wanted to do, but never had the guts to try because of the financial pressure of leaving your job. If you can master Forex trading, you can live very comfortably anywhere in the world and have the financial means available to turn your dreams into reality. Flexibility. Imagine not having to worry about calling in sick or missing work. Imagine being able to work any hours you choose, see friends whenever you want, spend as much time with your family as you like, and take a vacation at any time. The flexible lifestyle of a Forex trader is by far one of the top reasons that thousands of people are learning to trade every day. Open to anyone. Everyone has different abilities, as we all know. Maybe you didn't do well at school. Maybe you failed a few exams or quit something that wasn't for you. Maybe you didn't find your passion in life and stayed in a 9-to-5 job way too long just to get by. Maybe you think it's too late to start again. The Forex market doesn't care what you've studied, what you've failed at, where you come from, or what you have or haven't achieved in life. It's a fresh start for everyone. Religion, race, upbringing, or gender do not matter. All that matters is that you have dedication to learn a new skill, a small amount of starting capital, a laptop, phone or tablet, and access to the internet. Work from anywhere. We've just touched upon some of the main reasons why people learn to trade. Financial freedom, no boss to report to, setting your own working hours, and having the flexibility to live your life the way you want to. But how can you start? And more importantly, where do you trade from? The answer is simple. Anyone can start trading from anywhere and can trade at any time. Firstly, you need to decide which Forex broker to use and register with them. After you have registered, download the trading platform available either on the broker's website or inside your client area, and open a live trading account. Once you have your live trading account set up, you can log into the trading platform anytime you want to trade. You can trade from your tablet, from your mobile phone, or from desktop. You can even use a web trader if your broker offers it, meaning you don't have to download the platform to any of your devices. You can trade from the beach, from home, at the airport, whilst having a coffee with friends, wherever you want. There are no limitations. Download your platform or log into your web trader and let's get started.